Hiya, my name is Steph and I'm a mother of two little girls aged 4 and 6. 4 out of 5 days was driving to school, partly from bad habit for me, just getting the kids out of the house, into the car and then sitting in traffic while I stressed about the time that it would take to find a car parking space. Probably only walked 1, maybe 2 days, and that if the weather was nice. Gone on lots of family walks, so the girls were used to being out and using their legs a bit, not so lazy. So now we would walk to school maybe 4 out of 5 days, sometimes every day, and that is a complete change of habit for us. For me, it's been a great way to kind of wake myself up in the mornings, definitely help with my mental health. And the girls almost enjoy getting on their scooters, seeing their friends on the way to school. I feel like they're not bickering in the back of the car. Now they're just scooting and smiling. So this is the first time ever that we've all noticed sort of flowers coming into bloom. So it's like a little nature walk on the way to school. It's been really lovely, and yeah, we all feel amazing afterwards.